Hello all, welcome to 10-year 5 crore challenge. This is episode number 39. It's been a long time. I'm continuing this series. This is all about the financial year 2026 quarter 1 portfolio review. Let's get started. So what happened? So in this quarter April, May, June 2026, I have resumed the FNO trading. I'm very strong about my trading setup and the entry and exits with my algorithm and indicators what it is choosing, and I make myself more comfortable with that trading setup. And also I can see I have improved a little the trade psychology better than the last 1.5 year if you compare with. And that's because of I'm able to put a stop loss for every trade, and even I'm trading for the better results. If the target is achieving, I'm making sure like I don't lose much, but I will trial the the profits. Okay. And also like I enabled the risk reward strategies also, like 1:2 is the my primary risk reward strategy, and I'm following that. And also I have deployed 1 lakh for this trading FNO. This is all about the last quarter. You can see the portfolio here. You can see the May, June, April month I'm still in losses, but only the mutual funds given some returns, and I'm able to recover some profit on this. But you can see I have not traded any equities or any commodities during this period, but I'm highly anticipated that the coming months I will trade in all segments. Here you can see the mutual fund portfolio where I have invested 7 lakhs currently, but initially I have invested around 12 lakhs. But due to the market choppiness and there is no clear guidance on what is the market is going ahead. So what will be the next strategy or next action items for me? I'm actually taking a new 100 days challenge where every day I will take one trade. Okay. So I will take this for 100 days, and I will follow the risk reward strategy like 1:2, and I will follow the same. Let's see what will be the outcome it will give us. And I'm not sure whether I will go with one lot or two lots, because the current lot size is 65 per one, 65 quantity per one lot. Okay. And there is no fixed 1 lakh deployment that is already initial days when we take this 10-year 5 crore challenge. We are all talked about 1 lakh per month can be deployed into the mutual fund or any stock that can be yield for our growth. But right now I'm not following the same, because market is not is good, and it's better to protect our capital. For that reason I'm not deploying 1 lakh per month. That is a mandatory. Earlier we should apply, but right now that mandatory has been removed. The trading psychology and the market perspective has been changed in my process. And on this last, I think 6 months back, since 6 months back I have put a lot of investment into the gold and some of silver investments. These are the physical and not any ETF or any bonds or something. I'm making a physical purchase of gold. And even I know like currently the gold and commodities also going a weak signals, but this is the right time to accumulate the gold. Okay. So that we can easily sell off when the momentum is happen in the future. Okay. And the market expectation has been changed because due to this it's been a long consolidation happened since 2 years in the nifty 50 and the entire market. So the market perspective has been changed, and I have changed my mind. Not all trades will give good returns, and we have to make our mindset like the losses also part of the game, and we need to be very choose about the entry and exits. Okay. And right now I have changed the episodes. Initially I have planned for every week that need to be create a new episode, but due to some time constraints and due to there is no much updates about the weekly, so I have moved to the monthly episodes. But even the monthly episodes right now, there is no deployments and there is no active trades happened since last 6 months. You can see that. So I'm currently moving from a monthly portfolio review to quarterly portfolio review. Okay, this is what the next thoughts for me. So you can see the final thoughts about my journey. I'm sure I will make sure I will get my 5 crore. That is my ultimate target. But right now I'm suspecting that can be achieved by this 10 years or not. So with the 10 years market, if it is in a consolidated state, it is very challenge for us to make sure whatever the monthly targets or weekly targets are not meeting. Okay, this is how the market is all about, and I'm learning the in a hard way actually, because I'm protecting my capital, but whatever the investments that are not giving the expected yields or return of investment. Okay, so keep the improve your knowledge by taking some courses or taking watching some YouTube videos and reading some articles about the trading psychology or trading methods or strategies. Everything I can say pretty much all important lessons or good materials are available on internet freely, and the only method is what you are searching, and you need to know about how you can search for better. But nowadays you can use the chat gpts or every conversational ai, so you can easily ask whatever the questions you can in a bare minimum english, plain english, so that will give you the correct answers. Okay, this is how you need to spend your time, leisure time, to learn about more about stock market and gain your knowledge. And also improve your trading psychology. This is a very important aspect if you want to for the long term trading journey. So it's all about you don't disappoint, or you don't give go to greediness or anything. Okay, so everything is in your control, and the entry and exit and everything will be documented. Or if you are particular, you need to document it, and you need to be more specific about your entry and exit, then only you can improve your psychology. Otherwise you will make some random decisions to entry and exit that won't shape you for the better trader. Okay, and also don't assume that you can time the market. That means whatever you are putting entry, that means the stock will go up. No, that doesn't work in the real time. I have many experiences in it. Okay, so that's the way. If it is a bull market, if it is a bear market, you need to be consistent about your entries, and you need the trade plan. Okay, and also whatever the amount you want to put in a trading, that make sure you are not affected with that amount, because if it is loss the entire capital, if you lose the entire capital, that doesn't affect your daily livelihood on yours. It won't impact on your actual portfolio. This is how you need to make sure the capital is, and you need to make sure the capital is completely different from your actual investment and actual this one. Okay, and the final thought is the health is more important, and the peace also ultimate than anything. So make sure you should be more about the mind and the health and everything. So please do exercise, and always put your mind in a peace, and so that you can go ahead with your targeting the goals. Okay, so this is all about episode 39 guys, and please continue supporting my channel, and keep learning. And yeah, all the best. Bye bye.